आप दोनों का साथ में एक पिक्चर चाहिए था प्लीज।
फिल्म के बारे में ही ना खाली।
हाँ,
Actually, we have not seen the film, yeah, but we had heard a lot about it. We spoke to Saif also, congratulating him कि भाई सुना बहुत अच्छी थ्रिलर काफ़ी टाइम के बाद की, तो ही वॉज ऑल्सो सो हैप्पी कि हाँ भाई मैंने की इस जॉनर की थ्रिलर जॉनर की फिल्म की. तो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट आनंद जी एंड सैफ एंड
And the entire team. We
yeah, race and race. No,
of course, sure,
we are
definitely.
looking for a good script so that we can work together again. और हम लोग कोशिश है, वी आर लुकिंग फॉर द स्क्रिप्ट्स, अगर मिल गई डेफिनेटली तो विल, व्हाई नॉट विद सैफ.
सब हमारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, रमेश जी, हम लोग ने 4 पिक्चर की. सलमान, हमारे साथ बहुत अच्छा रिलेशन है. यस, सलमान के साथ, रमेश जी के साथ, सबके साथ हमारे बहुत अच्छे रिलेशन है. तो हम लोग तो चाहते थे कि पिक्चर चले, क्योंकि हमारी फ्रेंचाइजी थी. तो हम लोग को लगे पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी चले. हम लोग ने विश भी किया, सब कुछ किया, और पिक्चर चली भी, आई थिंक. यस, अच्छी लाइक हुई. हाँ,
ऑफ कोर्स वो तो
ऑडियंस के ऊपर है कभी कभी. हाँ,
समटाइम इट डजंट वर्क, वो तो होते रहता है. नहीं
बस अभी
we are
बहुत
working
जल्दी
on the
है. आप
script.
लोगों को सब मैसेज मिलेगा फिर. यस यस, ओके, बाय बाय.
Hi, hi. How? I'm very happy that audiences have loved Bazaar, and it's a great year for MA Entertainment, Satyamev Jayate, and now Bazaar, and I'm very happy for Anand Pandit sir, Kumar Mangat ji, Gaurav Chawla, the director, Saif, Rohan, the entire team, and they've made such a respected film with such wonderful reviews, and I think it's one of Saif's biggest grossers in the last few years. All the films he's done, and it's good to see content and good films work. और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि बाजार में बाजार की चर्चा है, and it's very good, very nice. With who? Well, right now I'm making Marjava with Siddharth and Ritesh Deshmukh, and I love Saif, and he's a great actor. He's a damn nice guy, and why not? I'm sure if something interesting comes up, I would love to work with Saif and in the future. Well, it's an action love story in the zone of Ek Villain, Gajni, Agnipath. It's got dialogue bazi, drama, action, romance, music. It's a commercial entertainer, and I hope I make it well and people like it. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. No, not at all. I mean, before Satyamev Jayate came out, people said even John was not doing well. I was a flop director. So I think it changes every Friday. Marjava is a very powerful commercial potboiler. It's coming on 2nd October next year. That's Gandhi Jayanti, and it's got Siddharth and Ritesh, the Ek Villain pair. And Ek Villain is so like for Manoj sir and John had written Shooter. I had done Shooter at Vadala, and then I did Satyamev, and now I had written Ek Villain, and now I'm doing Marjava with Siddharth and Ritesh. So it's the equivalent pair returning. So I think audience are going to be pretty excited about that. I think, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
सर
अभी आपको
आजकल तो बधाई वो भी बोल नहीं सकते
आइए
अरे नहीं हाँ इतनी बढ़िया फिल्म बनाई है
What do you want to say? Hello.
हाय
Thank you. Feeling very good. It's wonderful. And I mean, success means everybody gets what they put in back first. So, I mean, that's the basic and the first thing. Then Anand Bhai is here and they're the one. So, yeah.
yeah feeling great, you know, and especially when your product is good and it is well received, it's a double joy, and that is what exactly happened. And this proved that Gaurav is a very good director and he has made a very nice film, and the subject also is so good. It's unconventional subject and he has given that treatment, so beautiful treatment.
Thank you.
Feeling very good.
But it's great, na? Success means that everybody gets something out of it. My first film, and if everybody involved gets something out of it, say if everybody gets it, it's like it's wonderful. Yeah, you paid back people's faith in you, and that feels great. That's a good thing. Yeah, obviously, of course, and people like it. So that's the first relief that you get when it gets accepted nicely. So that. No, nothing. We're deciding now. Right now, there's lots of right. Let me enjoy this first. No. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi. That's Anand sir. Hi, nice to meet you. Oh, it's a house. Yes. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Hi. Well, I think it's amazing. You know, I mean, honestly, because the film is so different. You know, it's not like the usual film. It's not the regular story. You know, full on masala like how you would expect. But yeah, I mean, the fact that it was so different and people hadn't seen something being made on bazaar, on you know the stock market. So yeah, the fact that they liked it and you know the film's done well, I think that means a lot for all of us. You know, yeah. I wasn't talking about this film. I think I was talking about some other film at that time. No, but listen, I think you always are a little greedy, and I think you always do expect a little more. But honestly, now that we're talking after almost like what, 5 weeks now, 4 5 weeks, 4 weeks, right? I think it's been great, you know. And the fact that it's still hung on despite a lot of other releases coming and people are still going, I mean, that just says a lot about the content, you know. I think that's what films are about now, so yeah.
How do you feel nowadays that where everyone's talking about content and even you have always said that you want to do more of content films and when films like that do well, you get an added confidence to do such films, such versatile films?
No, I absolutely, I mean, yes. Come, please, please, please. No, please come. I think, yeah, let them come. Directors, you can't just like.
I'm sure you know them. You can say hello.
Of course I know them. You've come at the right time. I get a picture with you then. ये हमारे डायरेक्टर of course I mean you are the school
It's there for the speak so highly of you every time. So तो आ रहा है
I'm actually almost
outlook
done. I think I did. Oh yeah, of course. Well, okay. No, but the content, I think there's a huge change, there's a huge shift, and everybody's feeling it. You know, I think I would like to give all the credit to the audiences because they are the ones who are deciding that this is the kind of films that we deserve to see. And I mean, the whole formula is probably not going to work every single time. So it's a great time because it really forces you to work harder on your scripts, to bring in different and fresh content, which is a good thing for everyone. Yeah, but we're all working very hard now.
What is next up? What can we see when you're so excited?
Well, let's see. I mean, there's nothing really that's finalized at the moment. There are a couple of conversations that are going on. I think it's just too early for that also. But what I'm very excited is about the scripts that I have written and that I would be putting together next year. So that's what I'm very excited about, yes. Thank you.